Hey man.
Hey, you wanna go for lunch?
Wish you told me earlier, man. I just was finishing my meal prep for the week.
What? What's a meal prep?
Haven't you heard of it? It's basically preparing food ahead in time for the week.
Okay, and why do you have to do that?
Well, because I really want to take care of what I eat for the entire week with my protein, my carbs, and my fiber. So that's why I prepare in advance.
Okay, could you show me how to do it?
Alright, let's learn how to meal prep.
Okay, so what do we have here?
Alright, so over here we have our source of protein, chicken, and we have our source of carbs, millet, and then we have our fruits and fiber.
What? I thought this is garlic?
Alright, so what we have over here is a grain called millet, and it's actually boiled similarly like rice.
So tell me, how do you prepare this chicken? Like, do you fry it or do you marinate beforehand?
Okay, so this chicken is actually cooked in the air fryer.
Wow.
So a much healthier alternative rather than the deep fryer or the oven, because you don't need much oil. So simple marinations that I find in the kitchen like salt, pepper, cumin powder, turmeric, or whatever you can find, chili powder itself will be a good marination.
Okay, and what about this? Like, why do you need those?
Right, so what I have here is actually boiled chickpeas, and chickpeas are a good alternative source of protein even for vegetarians. So I have these sometimes with my salad as well.
So what are some of the other sources if I don't like chickpeas or if I don't like the millet?
You can actually go on to use any type of carbs that you want: brown rice, white rice, quinoa, couscous. And if you don't like chickpeas, you can even go with broad beans or any other sort of beans. That's really up to your own preference.
Okay, so how do you know how much amount of food that you need to come up with in order to start your meal prep?
I think that's a good question, Jason. So obviously, if you are someone who counts your macro, you would want to make sure that you have sufficient protein and also not too much of carbs. So we have the weighing scale on the left of the screen that you can actually use to weigh your protein and your carbs. Alright, and there you have it, a single meal prep done. So I have my carbs, my protein, my fiber as well as my fruits. And if you have multiple Tupperwares and containers, you can do everything in one shot. If not, you can even prepare the day before, because everything's cooked. All you need to do is assemble them.